Something a little bit different today on the channel. Molly's going to be cooking this pulled chicken sandwich. If you think it looks good, stick around and see how easy it is to make. Today Molly's going to be showing me how to make this salsa crockpot chicken. What we're going to do is take some of this chicken breast, put it in the crockpot. We've got the crockpot lined with Reynolds Kitchen slow cooker liners because she's found out this works the best for cleanup. What temperature are we going to cook at? We're going to cook on a high temperature for how long? For about 4 hours. We'll just check it periodically as it's cooking along. And these are the ingredients you'll need. We're not going to use all of this. We're probably going to use 6 of these chicken breasts.
If you want, you can cut off this extra. Alright, so you just add the chicken to the crock pot. And as it's cooking, I'll come in and kind of just move it around a little bit, get it recovered. Once in a while, you don't have to if you're working and away. It'll do just fine on its own. Add a little salt and pepper, just a taste. Salsa over the chicken, about half a jar.
So you're going to add about 8 fluid ounces
about
of the
8
salsa.
ounces, give or take. I might have put it in a little much, but
It'll just taste better.
and let it cook for about 4 hours. If you're home, you can come and check it and move it around. If you're not, you're at work or gone, you can just let it go, and when you get home, it should be all done and ready to roll.
We're going to let it cook for about 4 hours on high heat. We are going to be home, so we'll check on it. If you're off to work, Molly recommends just put it on low and don't worry about it. We've set up a second crock pot since we're going to be home with the liner, just as we did in the first recipe we were working on this morning. Again, we're going to have approximately 6 large chicken breasts, about 2 pounds of chicken. And here are the ingredients. We're going to be using this pineapple. How much do we have here? Let's look. Is all of this going in?
Just a little bit.
We're just going to put a little bit of pineapple in, depending on how much you like pineapple. And
if you don't want the pineapple chunks, you can just do the pineapple juice.
Okay, and Molly tells me if you don't like the big chunks of pineapple, you can just do the pineapple juice, the entire can, correct?
About half to 3/4.
About half to 3/4. You have to just drink the rest. And then these are the liners we are using. And how much brown sugar are we going to add?
2 to 3 tablespoons.
2 to 3 tablespoons. Okay, and we're going to just get our chicken prepped. We're just going to rinse it off, trim off some of these fatty areas. We like to keep this as lean as we can. And then we'll continue. And what's this called again?
Pineapple brown sugar glazed chicken.
Pineapple brown sugar glazed chicken. Sounds really good. So let's get this going. And then, so Molly's just chopping up the pineapple chunks so they're a little bit smaller.
Just chopped it. And just sprinkle it over the chicken.
We've added the chopped up pineapple chunks.
Pineapple chunks and brown sugar. About 2-3 tablespoons. The heaping tablespoons.
About 3 heaping tablespoons. 2 heaping tablespoons of brown sugar. Yeah. And then we're going to add the pineapple juice, approximately, how big is that can? How many fluid ounces?
About 3/4 of a can.
3/4 of a can, and it's 6 fluid ounces of pineapple juice. So you're going to add about 4 ounces of pineapple juice. After about 4 hours, the pineapple brown sugar glazed chicken is done, and then Molly will go ahead and shred it up and we'll plate it.
Or if you want to shred it, you can just shred it right in here and serve it for sandwiches.
If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button down below, like and subscribe. Subscribing is free, and as always, see ya.